dashboard is a very important concept because it helps the manager to understand the key matrices and all performance indicator in a single page. So what happens in a dashboard? All these things, all KPIs and all important matrices of any business is placed in a single page, and it has got interactivity. Interactivity is going to be added by using different types of filters and slicers in Excel. So let us see how we can create a dashboard using Excel. Here I am going to share my data. It is a fictitious data of his sales. So let us see the data. You will be able to see we have got row ID, order ID, date, ship mode, details related to customers, their country, city, state, details related to product like product ID, category, subcategory, name, sales, quantity, discount, profits, etc. So all those things has been given in this data set, and we have got 9,000 plus 9994, that many number of records in this data set. So when we are going to create a dashboard, it becomes very much easy for any manager to understand the data, and then they can take proper decision based on this. So let us start. From this data, I'm going to create different say pivot table, and I will add interactivity. I will be creating different charts, and then we will pull all those things into a dashboard. So I'm going to click on insert pivot table. You can see that marching ants, it has selected my entire data, and I want this to go in the new worksheet first, and then I will be putting all those my reports in the same sheet. So first I'm going for a new worksheet. Click on OK. If you start creating your pivot table, on the left hand side you will see all pivot table fields has came, and in the pivot table we have got 4 different areas. It is filters, columns, rows and value. Whatever we need to calculate, that we will put in the values. Rows and column we can put other fields which will be appearing in the pivot table, and whatever you want to put on filter, that we can put here in the filter. So first I want to find out my total profit and sales based on year. So let me take profit and sales in the values. So from this area I have dragged sales and profit to my values, and I want year wise profit and sales. So we have got order date. So order date I am going to put in the rows. The moment we will put order dates, you will see automatically Excel converts into years, and which can be expanded to quarters, month and days. But right now I am interested only in the year. So what I will do here, other field which came in the fields, that I am going to remove. So I remove the quarter, month and order date. So this gives me my data only with years. So we have got 4 different years of data with profits and sums. I am interested in just last 2 years of the data so that we can do comparison. So what I will do, I'm going to click on the filter. You can see here the filter. Click on the filter and uncheck all those things except 16 and 17. So last 2 years of the data which I want, so that I kept 16, 17 checked. So you can see we have got sum of profits for 16, sales also for 16, and 17 also we have got profit and sales. So this is the first thing which I wanted to go into my dashboard. For 16 and 17, I want these 4 components to go into my dashboard, so that I kept. So this is what my base for the dashboard. So I am giving name as base. This is my working data. So let me rename it as a working data. So I'm working on this. So working data and base. Again, I'm going to insert pivot table and by data has been selected. See here, $A, $1 to $U9995. So it has selected entire data. So just have a look that entire data has been selected. In case all data has not been selected, you need to select it manually. But if you click inside and then you go for pivot table, automatically it is going to get selected. Now I don't want to go in a new worksheet, but I want to go in existing worksheet. So click on existing worksheet, location, click on base, and go just little down and click on OK. Now I'm interested to see my top 10 and bottom 10 customers. So let me take first top 10 customers. So I want this time customer name in the rows, and I want profit and sales. So first I'm putting sales. Since here in the first table profit it came at the beginning, so I want to put profit at the beginning. Drag and put it just above the sales. So we are getting in the same order profit and sales for all the customers. So there are so many customers. How many customers? If you want to know, click on the first customer, shift control down arrow and shift up arrow. See in the status bar it is saying 793 customers, but I want only 10 customers. That is top 10 based on what? Based on my profit. So I'm going to click on this row labels here, and in the value filter we have got top 10. You can edit it as per your requirement. You can make top 5, top 2, top 3, top 100, whatever you need. Since I need top 10, I'm not going to change this. Top 10 items. Items are nothing but each customer's number. And we have got two fields, profit and sum. So you can see sum of profit and sum of sales. Both are coming, but I'm interested in profit. So I'm clicking on sum of profit and OK. So now you can see we have got top 10 customers coming over here. So their profit and their sales are coming. So we are done with top 10 customers. Now I want what? I want my bottom, say what? Bottom customers. So again, I will go to my working data and click on insert, click on pivot table, and in the existing worksheet, location is same. I'm going on the base and I want just little below here. Click on OK. I'm going to take again customer name in the rows and profit and sales. Sales here, profit above sales. And this time I want bottom 10 customers. So click on again row label, go to value filters, top 10. I don't want top, click on this, make it bottom 10 items, sum of profit. Okay. So we have got 10 worst customer in this page. So we have got 1, 2, 3. Total 3 table we have got. These 2 tables I'm going to use to show the data, and then we will be creating chart also with this. Now I am interested in product category. So let us see what fields are there. We'll go to here again, and again I'm going to click on insert, pivot table, and existing worksheet. Location is again base. Just come little down here. Okay. And now I'm going to take what I am interested in best and worst product. So let me take product name in the rows, sales in the value, and profit also in the value, profit above sales. So I have did this. Now we have got so many product names, but I want just top 10. So click on this button and go to value filter. Take top 10 products, top 10 items, sum of profit, right click on OK. So we have got now top 10 products and their profit and sales coming. Now I am interested in bottom 10 products. Fine. So what I'm going to do, just go to again working data, click on insert, pivot table, existing worksheet, base, same place. And now what I want now, just 1 second. Yeah. Again, I think I clicked somewhere wrongly, no problem. So insert, pivot table, existing worksheet location just below base. Okay, and I want what? Product name. So let us go to product name. Product name, we need profit, we need sales. And this time I want bottom 10 products. Go to value filters, top 10 items. In this top 10 only we have got bottom option also. Bottom 10 items by sum of profit. Okay, so we got 10 worst product, and you can see all places these negative values are coming. So my 4 tables are ready, which will go to my dashboard. Now I want to create some of the charts which I will be taking into my dashboard. Fine. So let me take those tables, those charts here. So click on insert, and then go to recommended chart. And in the recommended chart, I want my combo chart to come. So we have got sum of sales and sum of profits. So I want my profits to come in the line. So here I will take line for profits, and sales I want to go in the column chart. So here it is. Click on OK. So my first chart came. Let me keep it here. Yeah. Now what I want, I don't want these fields to be shown. So do right click, click on remove fields. You have to hide it. Right click, hide all field buttons. Yeah. So this is done. So our this chart which talks about sum of sales and sum of profits are here. I don't want these access values, delete it. Now right click on it and click on add data labels and show the data labels. Add data labels. So my data labels are there. So this is for all my sum of sales values are coming over here. Just will expand it a little. Yeah, this is done for all the values. Sum of profit, if you want, you can put show the legend same way. Add data labels and so add data labels. So the values are coming. If you want, we can give a different font color to it so that we can distinguish that this is a different value. So I gave it red color, and a little designing we will do a little later. So this is the first I created for my top 10 customers. Now I'm going to worst customer, and for that also I'm going to make a chart. Click on insert and click on recommended chart. We can go for combo chart again. So let me go to combo chart, and you can see how it is coming. Profit I want to go in the line, so take it line, and sum of sales I want to go in the bars. And here we are. Click on OK, and you can see how the profit and sales are going on. Click on this. From here also you can apply the filters. You can see different filters, but now I don't want anything, so I'm going to hide all buttons on the chart. And here we are. And show the values. Right click, add data labels, and add data labels. So you can see profit is on the sales is on the top, whereas profit is going in the negative values. Fine. So this is for my top and worst customer. In the same way I have got top products and worst product, these two graph. Okay, so let me take here, I want to give another chart. So let me see if we can do that. Click on insert, recommended chart, and I want tree map. Okay, just let me see why it's not able to create. Let me select this and let me check it whether it is able to create or not. Insert, then recommended chart and tree map. Okay, So in the pivot table, it is saying that it can't create, not an issue. What we will do, I'm going to click here. Here I will write product name, because tree map Excel is saying that it can't create on the pivot table. So no worry. Product name, here it is profit, and here it is sales, right? Now what we will do, equal to, and click on first product name, enter. So it is giving me the name of the first product, and then I'm taking this side, profit and sales coming, just go below. Now with this data, I can create the tree map. So let me create a tree map for this. Click on insert and go to recommended chart and all charts, and I'm going for tree map. Yeah, here it is. So tree map, what it does, it creates the all values, whatever values are there in that ratio, the rectangle whatever is coming here, that comes in that ratio. So higher the value, the area of rectangle will be higher. I don't want these things, so because these details are already there on the chart, so I'm deleting it. Chart title also I don't want, so just let me delete it. So this talks about what, my product, 10 top product. And if you see, the best product is Canon image, this much. It means the volume profit for this is very high. Fine. So right click, format data series, and value 2519. This is Canon. Where is the Canon? Let me check it. It is Canon 2519. So if you cross check, if you put your cursor on this, you see the value for Canon is coming 2519, and here the profit is there 2519. Fine. So in the same way, Fellows PB 500, the value is 7753, Fellows 7753. So this is it. We are able to see all these things. Okay. Fine. So this is interactive in the nature, and this is what based on profit, all the top products are coming over here. Okay. So I want to display what values on it. It is interactive. So let us go with this. And now negative values are there in profit. So with this we cannot make the tree map. So I will create a column chart for this. Click on insert, click on recommended chart, and you can take this one also, but let me take again combo chart, and sum of profit should go in the line, and sum of sales should go in the column, and okay. So we have got all 4 charts done, and this we are going to put it now in our dashboard. But before that, we have got some important things which we are going to do. Hide all buttons, and remove these access values, and add data labels which will show the values on the charts, and we can expand it a little. Yeah. So my 4 charts are done. Now, in order to add interactivity, we need some of the slices to get added to our dashboard. So slices will work as an filter for our data. So right now data is for everything. So let us add some slicers. So how to add slicer? Click on any of the pivot table. When you click on the pivot table field will be displayed. Just one second. Yeah, here, and pivot table. click on this and yeah. So we have got our pivot table at this place. What I want now, first I want to add a slicer on customer segment. Okay, right click on it and add as a slicer. So 3 customer segments are there. Slicer has been added. That is the first slicer we did. I want more slicer. I want another slicer on our region. So right click on the region, add as a slicer. Slicer for region also came over here. Again click here and product category. This also I want to add as a slicer. So we have got these 3 category. So right now I'm just taking these 3 things in the slicer. Okay. Now if I click on the slicer, I want you to see my data a little carefully. If I'm clicking on consumer, you see only this data has got changed. See here, it is Christine fan. If I'm clicking on this, my second data is not getting affected. The reason is my slicer is connected with only this second table, second pivot table, because I have clicked here and I added all the slicer. But I want my slicer to work with all 5 tables which are here. So for that, what we need to do, in order to connect slicer with all, right click on the slicer and there is an option called report connection. Click on report connection and it is showing right now pivot table 1, 2, 3, 4, all pivot table. So in order to make understand better that which pivot table is for what, we need to rename our pivot table. So first let us rename our pivot table. Click here, go to pivot table, analyze. In the pivot table, the first one is year wise profit and sales. So I'm going to make it as year wise PS, profit and sales. For that I put PS. So year wise profit and sales. This is what my top 10 customers. So top 10 cust. Let us name it top 10 cust. And again, it is profit and sales we kept. So top 10 customer. Second one is bottom 10 customer. Fine. So I'm going to name it as a bottom 10 cust. Bottom 10 customer. This is top 10 products, right? So go to pivot table, analyze pivot table, and it is what? Top 10 prod. It is top 10 products. So I named it as top 10 prod. Next one is bottom 10 prod. So rename it as bottom 10 prod. Okay. So after giving name, it becomes very easy for us to understand which pivot table it is. Right click on it, go to report connection, and now all pivot table whatever we made, that is coming. So I want to connect it with bottom 10 customer, bottom 10 product, top 10 customer, top 10 prod. I don't want to connect it with my year. Fine. So I just connected with these 4 tables which are here. Click on OK. Now all these 4 data will be get affected when you will click on any of the filter. So these 2 I am showing you right now. Like I'm clicking on home office, you see it is Adam and Christopher. Let me click on central. So all these data will get affected. Christopher is still the bottom one. That's what coming. Office supplies, technology. If I take technology, So all of them have got now connected with my slicer. Fine. So now what we will do, we will go to another sheet, and this is very important steps what we are doing, what I'm going to do right now. So create another new sheet, and this is my this is my dashboard. Double click on this dashboard. Just putting name like this. The reason is I have one more sheet like dashboard, so I put hyphen in between. Okay, so dashboard name has been given. Now what I will do, first I want to get rid of all these lines. So click on view and click on uncheck this grid line. So what will happen? All grid lines gone. Now if you want, you can give some nice color to it. Right now I am not giving any color. I need 4 details, that is profit and sales for 2016, profit and sales for 2017. So 4 different values I have to put. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take 4 different shapes. Click on insert and go to illustration, take different shapes. So let me take here this one corner bent. Yeah, so this looks good. So these shapes we need to rearrange again. So right now let it be like this. You can control the corner rounding, how much it will be with this. So as per your requirement, you can do it. So first one, and whatever color you want, that you can do it. So whatever color you like, fine. So let me take this one. I want 4 shape, control C and V. 2 more I want, control V and control V. Okay, so in this I want to display my profit and sales for 16, profit and sales for 17. So in the base we have got this profit. So if you see it here, the profit is in the, for 16 it is in B4, okay. Profit is in B4 and B5 for 16 and 17. Okay, so go to dashboard, click on this, and we need to go to formula bar, write equal to, click on base report where base is there, and this is what? B. So I don't want to click on this, I will just type the address equal to, and it is what? Dashboard. So click on the, just one second, yeah, equal to base, and it is B4, so B4. So 2016 profit is in B4. Profit came here. It is 4 say digits, so that we will make it correct. And now we will make it font to look little bigger. Let it come to the central. Yeah. So here I'm going to round it up to 2 level of the decimal. Okay. And in the dashboard it came here, profit for 2016. We'll go to insert, we'll go to a text box, click here and type profit 2016. Let me give it little different color. So not background color but font color I want. So profit 2016, this much. The same thing I'm going to copy, and I want this profit for 2017. Now click here. This was what formula? Base B4. Copy it. Click here. This is base of B4. 5. The profit was just below that, right? Enter. And then click on this, go to format painter, click here. So profit for 2017, 16 and 17 is shown over here. Now here I want sales for 2016, Control C, Control V, and this is what sales. Sales 2016. Let us check where the sales is. Sales is in C4 and C5 respectively. So we can copy same formula, Control C, click on this, paste here. It is what? C4. C4, enter. And in this one, what you need to do, we have to click on this. We need to copy this formula, C4 and C5, right? Click on this, paste it here and make it C5, right? C5, done. Now we will click on this, click on format painter here, click on format painter, click on this. So my profit and sales is done. Just let me copy it from here and put the title on this please also. So for 1617 profit is shown here, 1617 what my sales has been shown over here. Now below this I want a line to come, so that like separator I want a line. Click on insert, go to shapes and take one line and draw it below nicely. Now the line width we can increase, so shape outlines, weight little more, so whatever color you want you can do that. So this is separator for my the values which are already there, that is coming. Below this I want my say tables to come. So click over here and write equal to, go to base. I want my top 10 customers to come. So this one is what? Click on this, enter, and it is customer name, right? We need to arrange these rectangles little later again, so no worry. It is what? Customer. It is top 10. So right here top 10 customers. Okay. Now here it is profits, and next to profit is what? Sales. Next to profit is sales. Give a nice formatting to it. Click on this and take this border. It looks good, and just give little more space to our customer name, and profit little more area, sales also little more area. Now drag it across so that sales and profit and sales come, and drag down so that all 10 values should come. Where 0 is coming, that is I don't need this. So formatting we will do, we'll arrange it. Okay, say profit also left align, sales also left aligned. Yeah. So my top 10 customers are here. Okay. Now next to this, what we will do, we will take another table where bottom customers are there. So again copy these values, Control C, give one line of gap here, right click, one column of gap, and we have to paste special, and I want column widths to be pasted, and copy this and paste it here. Okay, now copy this data paste it here. Now it is bottom 10, top 10, bottom 10 customers. We have created bottom 10 also now, so bottom 10 customers. Now click below equal to, go to base, and these are my bottom 10 customers. Enter. So first customer came, take profit and sales, profit and sales, select all three, go down. So my bottom 10 customers also came here. This formatting here also, this formatting. Okay, so my top 10 and bottom 10 customers are here. This area, 2 lines are there. I'll just reduce this gap so that I can put another values over here. I can put one more table here. Yeah, 2 more table I want to put. So those values I can put here. So as you know, in dashboard, all matrices and KPI has to be put in one screen so that management can understand what is happening in the business and they can perform, they can take better decision. That is the purpose. So my top and bottom customers are here. Now let me take my top 10 and top 10 and bottom 10 products also. So this, copy this format of the column here. Okay, so right click and paste it here. So I wanted same width. So what I will do, select it, copy it, right click, paste special, and go for column width. Okay, so same column width we are getting for these values. So it will look very symmetrical. So by pasting the same column width. Now it is what, my top 10 products. So give heading what, products. It is what, top 10 products. Top 10 products, profit and sales. Click on equal to and go to base and go to the product. These are the product names. Yeah, these are the product names. So it is top 10. Enter. So product name came. Now product name is a bit longer. Fine, and we have got this area. So what I'm going to do, let me give a little more space to my product names because it takes more space. So I did that, and then take product and sales, and grand total is here. We will give same formatting as we gave for this. So, and then we need to arrange it. This way I will be arranging. At the last, we need to arrange this again because it will, whenever we will drag this area, that is going to get disturbed. So let me put it here. So my top 10 customers, bottom 10 customer, and these 3 things are there. Now I want to put my graph, and then one more table is there for bottom 10 customer, that also we will put. Now what I will do, I will put my slicers here. I will arrange slicers which will act as a filter for all my these tables. But before that, I want to give formatting to my these tables. So what I will do, here negative values are there. Let me show you here this negative values. Select all these negative value, profit and sales, and right click, format cells, go to custom and select this one. Right here hash after this, after semicolon, whatever value is coming, that is negative value, and positive value I want blue color. So I'm putting blue, and the negative value I want red color. So this is coming as a red color. Fine. So red and blue, that is the format, blue and this. So this will make my text look as, see, so whatever is negative is there, it's coming as a red color. Let me put sign also, otherwise there will be confusion. So again, I'm going to custom format cells and custom. So this is negative, red color negative, so I'm putting negative sign here, minus, and click on OK. Just red minus, so negative values. So the and same format I will put in the format painter, and we are going to apply all places. So what will happen whenever negative values will come? See here there is no negative, so all are coming in the blue color. The moment any value will come as a negative, what will happen? Automatically that will become red color and negative sign will come. So this is a nice formatting done to our text. Now I want my slicers to come, and then I want my say graph to come over here. So okay, this we will arrange a little later because it will keep on changing if we will increase or decrease the width of the column, but now I think it will not be required. Just let me put it here. Yeah, this is little down, little more down. So this is done, and this also here and in the center. Okay, now go to base, and in the base I want my first this segment, this slicer to come. Control X, so the slicer gone from there, put here, paste it. Okay, now you see it has got three different values, 1 2 3. Okay, I want to arrange it like a nice button. So what I will do, right click on the slicer and go to size and properties. In size and properties, go to position and layout, and in the layout, number of columns is 1, make it 3. So what will happen? It become now like button horizontal. So 3 values are there. I don't want this segment to be displayed. So right click here, right click, go to slicer settings and display header, remove this. Okay, so what happens now? It looks like a button, and this is a filter. So the first filter I am putting over here. Okay, and if you want to change the color, you can double click on the slicer and slicer tab will get activated. From here you can take whatever color or format you want. So there are so many different formats and colors are there that you can take. Fine. So this is the first button we created. Now we are going to base. We have got region, Control X. Same thing we are going to do in it also. Paste it. Right, we have this properties already here. So in the region we have got 4 values. So let us take 4 different columns. So go to position and layout. In the layout, number of columns is 1, make it 4. And we have got 4 columns here. Arrange it, right click, go to slicer settings and remove display header. Okay, so we have got 4 buttons coming for this. So arrange it also. You can give some nice background also to it. I'll show you. Let me take the another slicer also here. This is my third slicer, that is category. Cut it. Same thing we are going to do with this also. Paste it. In the category we have got 3 different values. So I want 3 columns for it. Okay, and I don't want the header. So right click, slicer settings and display header, uncheck it. Okay, so my all 3 buttons are, which are what? Which are the filters that has been done. So I have arranged all my 3 filters here. Okay, now format slicer, this option I'm just taking away. Yeah, these all are done. So in the background we can put some color by putting shape. So let me arrange all these things nicely. Yeah, so if you click, see all data, because all my 4 tables are connected with it. So the moment you will click, you will see all the tables are getting affected by it. If you want to check which are connected, right click and report connection. And okay, from this I think I have not connected all. Bottom 10, bottom 10, top 10. Okay, so this connected. Will let me check this also. Report connection. Okay, this was not connected. Done. And this, with this we had connected. Report connections, with this we connected, right? So if you click on consumer, see all are connected now. So you can see that interactivity is there. Now in this area we are going to put the graph. So come here, take the first chart, which is this one. Okay, control X, and we are going to dashboard. I'm going to put the chart over here, control V. The first chart came. Okay, and now what I want, I don't want these lines to be present in the background. So click in this line which is there in the background. So when these circles are coming, you delete the background. So this line has gone, and you can see the maximum sales we have got by Raymond Butch. uh, uh, Raymond Butch, where is that? Yeah, this last number. You can see maximum profits and sales we are getting by Raymond Butch. Okay, so if you want these colors to be changed, click on this and fill color here. From this place you can change the color. So whatever color you like, you can give. This line also I want to change. So click on this line, got selected. This bucket line color, and text is already red. You can give another color, but right now okay, just click on this and click on home and change the font color. So let me give it the red. Which color will be visible? Black only will be visible, and we can arrange these little up or down also, that is possible. Okay, so when you click on different customers, you see automatically the values are going to get changed. So interactivity is there. This place I'm going to add my another chart. So I'm going to base, and let me take my tree map which I created for the best product. Cut and go to dashboard, and again paste it here, control V, and this has also came. So my products. So here I want to give a title, the best product. So right click and format data series. Can I add title? Banner? No. What I will do, I will put a text box over here. Insert and click on text box, and here I will put a text box and I write 10 best products, and this I'll put little up so that, yeah, here it is. Let me make it bold and little bigger. So these are 10 best products. Okay, so you can see the moment we are clicking, it is showing, and if you hover cursor over it, all the details are coming. So I took 2 charts. We have got 2 more charts, that's also we can put. I'm going to add one more chart here. So let me go to base and working data. Let me go to working data, and I want to add one say on category versus profits. So I'm clicking on insert and then recommended chart. Okay, so first let me create a pivot table. Insert pivot table, from table range automatically selected, existing worksheet. I'm going on base, I'm going little down here. Okay, now what I want product category, 3 are there, and I want profits. I don't want sales right now, I just want profit. Okay, so this is done. Now based on this, I will click on insert and I will click on this pie chart. I want donut chart, nice donut chart I want. So right click, add data labels, add data labels. So this is category wise profits, right? This chart I want to go into my dashboard. So take this, go to dashboard, and I'm putting it here, paste it here. Okay, so this is my what, 3 color shows for 3 different values. So this is what, profits. So sum of profit is there. This I'm not going to remove because this will tell me that we are talking about profits. Okay, the values are coming over here. I'll make size little bigger. Okay, now what is total profit for these things? So total profit is coming in the base. How much? This one is total profit. Okay, this is the total profit. Come to dashboard and I'm going to insert and shapes. Here I'm taking this one and I'm drawing it in the center, right? Let me find out some color. Let me take gray, or gray is already there, so this one. Yeah, now just make it little bigger. Click on this. Okay, click on formula bar, type equal to, go to base, and this is what, B75. Don't click, but just type B75 and okay. So it should come here, equal to base B75, enter. Yeah, so this profit came. This is what, total profit. Make this font look little bigger, make it in the center, done, and make it little rounded. Yes, yeah, and just we will make it what, 2 decimal point. In the home we have got 2 decimal point. Okay, save it, go to dashboard, and this is what, total profit. So I'll click on this, click on insert, text box. This is what, total profit. I write here, this is total profit. Right now I have not connected what, I have not connected any slicer to this. So if you want to connect slicer to this, same method we have to do, like connection. So this is what is the name of this pivot. Click on this, click on pivot table analyzer, pivot table. This is pivot table 8. Okay, so category wise, I put category wise name. Come to dashboard, come to slicer, right click on this, report connection, and category wise connect. Okay, done. Here also same thing, report connections, category wise connected. Right click on this, report connections, category wise, done. Okay, so now all my reports are connected with my slicer. One more report is there. Let me pull that also here. So that was my worst product. Control X dashboard. We have got a space here. I'm going to put it here. Okay. Control V and arrange it. Okay. So we can arrange all of them nicely in our dashboard, and now it is interactive in the nature. You click and you see all of them are going to get changed as per our whatever product we are selecting, whatever values we are selecting. Okay, so this is how you can create one interactive dashboard. Hope you have understood it. If you like the video, let me know. Thanks for watching it. We will meet very soon in the next video.